Are you currently having problems with error code 403 on your DeepSeek app and you want to be able to fix it? Well, then this video is going to be perfect for you, because actually me myself, I had the exact same problem before, and I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on exactly how I was able to fix it. So what I did actually was that I first closed my DeepSeek app, and instead I went into my settings app on my phone. And now on my settings app, what I did was that I scrolled down in here and then I clicked on general. So I clicked on general, I scrolled down again and I clicked on storage in here. And I just waited for this page to completely load, and then I clicked on the search symbol in the top right corner. So I clicked on the search symbol, then I just searched for DeepSeek in here and I clicked on the DeepSeek app. And then what I did on this page is that I clicked on upload app, and once again I clicked on upload app in here. So then I just waited a couple of seconds and I clicked on the blue button here once again. So basically what you now need to do is that you need to wait for your DeepSeek app to completely load. And when it's done, you can go back into your app once again, and hopefully this is now fixed for you as well.